Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to set Killer Bean to full screen display. So let's get started. Begin by launching settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find Apps option. Tap on it. Select Manage Apps option. In the search bar, type in Killer Bean and perform your search. Tap on it. Scroll down until you find Full Screen Mode option. Now to set Killer Bean to full screen display, enable Full Screen Mode option. And this is how you can set Killer Bean to full screen display. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you're new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.